How to submit your video performance on Moodle. Number 1, ask someone to shoot the performance you're trying to take. Just make sure to have a clear shot of every action you're trying to perform. Don't worry about the video quality of the phone you have, just make sure to have a clear shot. If nobody is available to take the video, you can be resourceful and creative enough. Place your phone on top of a desk, a chair, or any resource you have right now, like what I'm showing you in the picture here. You continue and perform the video you're trying to perform. Then after you shoot the video, you upload your video on Google Drive, like what I'm doing right here. Select the video you're going to upload. Depending on how long the video you took, it will take time to upload, so you need to wait. If you can edit the videos you have taken to remove the garbage footage, it would be very helpful. However, if you do not know how to edit the videos, raw footage will be acceptable. Just make sure that the garbage footage is not longer than the performance you're trying to shoot. When the upload is done, you go ahead and copy the link of the video you uploaded, then locate or log in to your Moodle account to submit the video. In this case, I'm going to open one course as an example. In this course, one of the practicum requires you to submit a video where we paste the link of the uploaded video file. I'll open this, then add submission. You can long press on your phone and then paste the link of the video on Google Drive. You save this, wait for a bit, then you can see it is ready for grading. This will help your instructor easily review and grade the performance you're trying to submit that is tracked under the account in Moodle. Once you're done, you can mark that mark button so that you can proceed to the other activities you're trying to do. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact the department.